All right, hey everybody, Bowling Fool here. What new toy do I have today? It is the Track Paragon Shadow. This was my replacement for my Cracked Stealth Solid. Thank you, Track and Brunswick. So we're dealing with some post-league lane conditions here. I got the numbers up on the screen for the ball and also my layout. Come on now. There we go. So this was the ball I chose when my Stealth Solid had a crack on it.
Hey, slow down. How did you bowl 6 kids already?
You're talking on your phone. I'm ready. I'm bowling, man.
That's not bowling, that's throwing balls.
A power bowl, man. That's what I do.
You're damn good at it.
Yeah.
Woo!
Almost. Yeah. All right, so the numbers on this are relatively the same as the Stealth Solid, except it's an asymmetrical. So 0.015 intermediate diff. See if we can forget those first 2 frames here and get nothing but strikes, huh? So I did a warm-up game with a Crown Victory. Awesome ball. I forgot how cool that ball was. Okay. All right. Put a lot of side rotation on that. I got to ease up on that. Let the ball do the work. Alright. That's the kind of shape I'm looking for. Slipped out of my finger, but it worked. Yeah, I was hoping this ball would replace my Stealth Solid for game 1. Game 1 league, possibly. Come on now. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, I could probably touch it with a little bit of surface. Give it a little more sharpness on the back end. And I think a pin fell off the strings. Let's see what lane 4 does with that pin in the gutter. Did it drop all the pins? No, it's missing. Yeah. Yeah, so I hit it so hard I knocked a pin off the string, so they're gonna come and fix it here. All right, so I forgot to turn the damn camera back on after they fixed after I broke the pin off the string. So we're on like the last couple of strikes on frame 9, and now we're on frame 10. All right, let's see if we can get a decent hit here on this one. Boom! All right, here we go. Here we go. Get it. Damn it. Okay. So not a bad game. So we got 224 with the Track Paragon Shadow. Let me know if you guys have this ball. There it comes. Really cool looking ball. Got my Jopo in there. So I'm gonna give this another go and see what we can do. And maybe use it on game 1 in league. So if you like the video, give me a like, comment down below, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody.